Fizzygum lets you directly access the source code of any of its parts, which is a very powerful way to let you customize it. Let's see two examples. In the first example, we are going to change what the drawing tools in the Draw app do. Just open the Draw app and click on the little pencil here. And try, for example, to change the color of the brush. It might take a while to find your way around the first time. Let's try this. Okay, done. Now, in this first example, the way to change the internals was offered explicitly by the drawing app. The drawing tools buttons were special, as they offered a dedicated way to change how they worked. In general though, apps and buttons don't offer this explicit way to change their internals. However, there is an equally powerful and more general way that lets you edit any piece of source code in Fizzygum. So let's see another example. Let's say that we want to make the seconds hand of the clock more prominent, because maybe we are using the clock to count seconds or something like that. Let's make a copy first. Now let's open the menu for the clock widget and go in Dev and then Inspect. Now in this list we get the functions or methods in this widget, and it looks like this one is the one we want. Hopefully we can find a way to make the seconds hand thicker. Yes. Now that's great, we changed this particular clock. However, it'd be useful to have a way to change all the existing and future clocks rather than just one. To do that, instead of changing a particular clock, we change the blueprint for all the clocks, also known as the class. Just click this to open a class inspector, as opposed to the object inspector of before, and let's change the thickness of the hour's end this time. Okay, it worked, and notice how all the clocks have changed, and in fact all the future clocks will be created this way as well. This is just a taste of what you can do by having access to the source code, but really there are no limits. You could change what buttons do, how graphs are drawn, customize workflows, etc, etc. That was it for our hacking sessions. Make sure to check out the other videos and fizzygum.org for more examples.